So here we have one of the meat chickens with our meat rooster. And these are the eggs that I get the bantams to incubate, and they will hatch them out, and bantams, being great mums, will raise the babies until they're old enough for us to eat. We've only got 2 meat chickens, and they lay plenty of eggs for us to keep us in meat pretty much most of the year round. Let's go see one of the bantams sitting on eggs. Okay, so here we have one of the little bantams sitting on eggs. Let's just see if we can have a look underneath her. There's some eggs underneath her. I don't like being disturbed much, but she's sitting on 6 or 7 eggs there, and she'll hatch those out. Okay, so here's an A-frame with a bantam chicken that's looking after some little baby meat chickens. As you can see, they make good mothers. And these babies will get raised for us to eat. The A-frame is great because it keeps the baby chicken safe from predators, and we move it to a fresh piece of grass every day. So these baby chickens are organic, pasture raised with grain, and you really can't get better than that.